So over here you can see that I have a generated report right here. And let's say what I want over here is I want the total of the price according to the group right here. So in that case, what you can do is you can go around and then generate out the totals right here. So to do that, first of all, you need to go from view right here to layout view. And once you go to layout view right here, you can go around into the total section and click on sum. So once you do that, over here you can see the sum of that area. So you can go around, resize this, and you can see that there is the total right over here. There's also the grand total over here, just like this. So besides sum, you can also select out average right here and other data according to how you like. You can go and count the records right here. You can count the values. You can have the maximum value right here or the minimum value right here or standard deviation and so forth. And you can also go for variance according to what you like. And it'll take out these group data and will generate out the sums accordingly. So in my case, I just want the sum right here. So this is what I have. So if you don't want this, you can simply press delete. And there you go. You got the sum of the prices like this. So now I'm going to go from view to record view right here. And this is what you have. You got the sum of all the data. That is, you got the calculated fields in the report according to how you like it. So that is how you can add in calculated fields inside of report in Microsoft Access. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.